In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a good faith estimate in SimplePractice. This walkthrough will help you generate a clear, compliant estimate of costs for your client, and we'll do it entirely from the web version of SimplePractice. Keep in mind, this feature isn't available in the mobile app, so make sure you're on a desktop browser. Start by opening your client's overview page. From your client list, click into the client's profile, and you'll land on the overview. This is your starting point for creating the estimate tied to that specific client. At the top right, select New, then choose Good Faith Estimate. This opens a dedicated form designed to capture the key details your client needs to see before starting services. Next, complete the required fields. Begin with the client's name and date of birth, making sure they match your records exactly. Then enter your provider information, including your name, NPI, tax ID, and office location. It's important to use the official details you bill under so the estimate aligns with your practice information and any documentation you provide later. Now list the expected services. For each service, add the appropriate service code, the related diagnosis, the quantity you anticipate, and the estimated charge. If you regularly use CPT or service codes, keep those consistent with your super bills and claims. When it comes to quantities, think in terms of realistic frequency and duration, such as the number of sessions you expect over a period of time. Your goal is to give the client a clear picture of likely costs based on what you know today. If you anticipate multiple types of services, such as an intake followed by recurring sessions, you can add more services to the estimate. Use the optional Add feature to include each service separately, with its own code, diagnosis if applicable, quantity, and estimated rate. This helps the client understand the breakdown, not just the total. Before you wrap up, skim everything for accuracy. Confirm spellings, verify codes, and make sure the office location and provider identifiers are correct. Small mistakes can cause confusion later, so a quick review is worth the time. When everything looks good, click Save. Your good faith estimate is now created and associated with the client's profile, ready to reference and share according to your workflow. That's all there is to it. Open the client's overview in the web version, choose New, select Good Faith Estimate, fill in the required client and provider details, add your expected services with codes, diagnoses, quantities, and estimated charges, include any additional services as needed, and save.